If your store sells simple bundles or basic add-on offers, this video may not be necessary. But if your customers need to make multiple decisions and some options only work with certain others, then this is for you. Many stores don't struggle with traffic. They struggle with decision structure. Too many options, too many drop-downs. Customers are selecting combinations that don't actually work together. Or worse, customers feel confused and leave. Most Shopify product pages show everything at once. There's no guidance, no structure, no control over the buying journey. That's where complexity starts to hurt conversion. Guided bundles are not about adding more options. It's about organizing decisions. Instead of showing everything immediately, you guide customers step by step. Each choice narrows the path. Each decision affects what comes next. You're no longer just displaying products, you're shaping the buying journey. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you're selling custom PCs. Step 1, the customer chooses a processor, for example, Intel or AMD. Once that choice is made, the next step shows only compatible motherboards. If they selected an Intel processor, AMD boards are automatically hidden or disabled. Then they choose memory like 16GB or 32GB. Then they choose graphics, for example RTX 4060, RTX 4070, or even no dedicated graphics at all. Each step is clear, each option makes sense in context. Instead of seeing a long list of unrelated parts, customers move through a structured path. Choose the processor, then the matching motherboard, then memory, then graphics, and the result feels guided, not overwhelming. And more importantly, customers can't accidentally build something incompatible. You're reducing confusion before it becomes support tickets or refunds. Guided bundles work best for stores with products that require compatibility, stores with multi-step configurations, stores that want structured buying journeys. It is not designed for simple discount bundles, quick cross-sell offers, or one-click add-ons. If your products are straightforward, a simpler bundle setup is usually better. Guided bundles require planning. You need to think about how customers should move through decisions, which options should appear and which shouldn't, and how your products relate to each other. It's not a 5-minute setup, but if your store depends on structured product guidance, this approach creates a much clearer buying experience. If your products require logic and compatibility, guided bundles may be the right solution. If not, a simpler bundle setup will likely serve you better. Choose the approach that fits your store's complexity.